Snapseed finally got its biggest update in years. So in this video, let's walk through everything new in Snapseed 4.0 and see why so many people are suddenly talking about this app again. So the first thing you'll notice after opening Snapseed 4.0 is the redesigned interface. Immediately, the app looks way cleaner and more modern compared to the older versions. At the top, you can now see your previously imported photos, while at the bottom you get quick access to the camera and add photo options. First, let's jump into photo editing. Once you choose a photo, it takes you to the editing page just like the older versions, so existing Snapseed users will still feel familiar here. But the whole editing experience now feels much smoother and more polished. The editing sliders have been redesigned with a cleaner look and updated fonts to match the new UI style. Just like before, you can slide left and right to adjust the intensity of edits, while sliding up and down switches between subcontrols. It still keeps the classic Snapseed workflow, but now it feels much more modern and refined. One of my favorite additions here is the new favorites bar. Now you can save the editing tools you use the most instead of scrolling through every single option every time you edit a photo. So if you constantly use tools like tune image, healing, curves, or portrait mode, you can quickly access them from one place. It sounds like a small feature, but honestly this makes editing much faster and much more convenient, especially if you edit photos regularly. Another huge addition is smart masking. This gives you much better control over selective edits. So, instead of affecting the entire image, you can target specific areas much more precisely. Google also upgraded the portrait and film features. Portrait edits now look cleaner and more natural, while the film effects feel much more cinematic compared to before. And then we also get brand new tools like Color HSL, Dehaze, Halation, and Bloom. Then we have the redesigned style section, which is now much more important because it also connects with the new camera experience. Here, you can save your edits as a custom look by giving it a name, so later you can apply the exact same effect with just one tap. You also get several built-in presets here, and the best part is that they're fully customizable as well. Now let's talk about one of the biggest upgrades in Snapseed, non-destructive editing. This is honestly a massive feature. Basically, Snapseed now handles edits much more intelligently, so you can go back later and modify or revert specific edits without ruining the original image. This makes the editing workflow feel much more professional compared to older versions. Another major addition is batch editing. This is going to be extremely useful if you edit lots of photos regularly. Once you finish editing one image, you can simply long press on it and use the copy style option. Then select the other photos you want, hit paste style, and Snapseed will apply the same editing style to all of them. So instead of editing every single image one by one, you can now edit multiple photos much faster. But probably the most interesting part of this update is the new Snapseed Camera experience. Because now Snapseed is slowly becoming more than just a photo editor. Inside the camera section, you now get built-in filters, film-inspired themes, and pro-style camera controls directly inside the app. So instead of only editing photos after taking them, you can now create a specific look while actually capturing the photo itself. What's really cool is that the custom looks you saved earlier in the Styles section can also appear here in the camera mode. So you can instantly shoot photos with your own custom editing style already applied. Honestly, this makes Snapseed feel less like a simple editor and more like a complete photography app focused on creative shooting and editing together. Overall, new Snapseed app feels like a massive comeback for the app. The redesigned UI makes it easier to use, the workflow feels much faster, and the new features make the app feel surprisingly professional while still staying beginner-friendly. And considering all these features are completely free, this update honestly makes Snapseed one of the best photo editing apps to try right now. So, what are your thoughts on the new Snapseed update? Let me know in the comments below. More Android apps and tech-related videos are coming soon, so subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.